So you guys may have noticed that we have this new sales tab, and we've moved a couple things around. We didn't just move them just arbitrarily because we got bored and we figured we had to find something to do. No, this has been based on more user feedback where customers, especially when learning the platform, they're like, hey, how do I put together my sales, or how do I put a price on a particular product? And one of the things we wanted to do is make sure that the idea of selling your course or selling your digital products was a first-class citizen inside the platform. So we took a lot of these components that were quite frankly buried, and we brought them up to the surface. So when you click on the sales tab, you're taken straight to your offers, where you can start packaging and pricing your different digital products. But also, rather than having to click on products and then click on offers and then click on coupons, to get access to something like coupons or even affiliates, you can now access that stuff immediately right here inside of the navigation. And so again, seemingly small change, and we have moved some stuff around, but this is going to make more room for even more plans that we have to share with you guys in the future here, as well as just bring the sales into that kind of first-class citizen kind of ranking.